Good morning to one and all. In our previous class, we said about the zeros finding through graphical method and factorization method. So today we finding the zeros and that zeros to addition doing and product to doing, what is the relation coming, that one we observe. So here for that purpose I am taking a polynomial x square minus 4x plus 3. So this polynomial to zeros finding, so that purpose equal to 0 we taking, and so find zeros purpose we taking the coefficient of x square and the constant term product to doing. So the constant term here 3 and x square coefficient is nothing but 1. So 1 into 3 equal to 3, and the coefficient of x, that is nothing but minus 4. So here the prime factors of and the factors of 3 are 1 and 3. So if these two numbers to multiplication doing 3 coming, but 4 coming purpose, if we take minus 3 minus 1, so minus 1 minus 3 means that is nothing but minus 4, and minus 1 into minus 3 means that is plus 3. So here minus 4x plus I am writing minus x and minus 3x plus 3 equal to 0, and now here x square means it can be written as x into x. So now here in this both x is the common number, so the x will be common taking, then here we can write x and here minus symbol there. So x means x is the product of 1 into x. So x taking outside means here we have a chance to write 1. So x into x minus 1. Now in this both the 3 is the common number. So that 3 common taken means minus 3 into x, then only minus 3x coming. So here in this place I am writing x and minus into plus, that is nothing but minus. So 3, which ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, that equal to 0. So now in this both here x minus 1 is the common. So if we writing x minus 1 common, here x remain, here minus 3 remain. So x minus 1 into x minus 3 equal to 0. If x minus 1 equal to 0, then x equal to 1. If x minus 3 equal to 0, then x equal to 3. Now we are doing sum of the zeros. So sum of zeros, that equal to 1 plus 3 equal to 4. If we do product of zeros are 1 into 3, that is nothing but 3. So here if we observe that 4 is nothing but coefficient of x, so here we can write it is coefficient of x, and 3 means it is here constant term. So constant term. Okay. So and here for the polynomial x square minus 4x plus 3, so 4 indicates coefficient of x, 3 indicates constant term, but x square coefficient 1 there, that one here not presented. So if we observe 4 can be written as 4 by 1, 3 can be written as 3 by 1. So here 1 nothing but the coefficient of x square, so by coefficient of x square, and constant term by coefficient of x square we have a chance to write. And here we observe the coefficient of x is minus 4 there, but here coefficient of x purpose we writing means plus 4 only there. So what we doing, we have to know that minus into minus equal to plus. So here we can write minus of minus coefficient of x. So minus into minus means plus only. So minus of minus 4 by 1, if we can write minus into minus plus 4 by 1. So here the answer is not change. So for this purpose we see another example, that is x square plus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. For this polynomial zeros finding and check their relationship between the zeros and their products and sum of the zeros. Okay, so here x square coefficient is 1 and the constant term is 10. So 1 into 10 equal to 10 and the x coefficient is 7. So sum of any two numbers we get 10 and sum of any two numbers we get 7. So that purpose 10 factors taken means 10 factors are 1, 2, 5, 10. In that 1, 10, these two numbers to anyone we do, we can't get 7. But 2, 5. So 2 plus 5 equal to 7. 2 into 5 equal to 10 coming. So in the place of 7x, I am writing 2x plus 5x. So x square plus 2x plus 5x plus 10 equal to 0. Now x square means it can be written as x into x, and here 2x means 2 into x. So in this both x is the common, so the x will be common taken means here x plus 2 into x means 1x taken outside means 2, and here 5x and 10 can be expressed as 5 into 2. So 5 into 2 means in this both 5 is the common number. So plus 5 common taken means here x. So plus into plus, that is nothing but plus. So 5 2 are 10. So 2 taking. Now in this both x plus 2 is the common. So if we taken x plus 2 common, then here x remain and here plus 5 remain. So x plus 2 into x plus 5 equal to 0. So if x plus 2 equal to 0, then x equal to minus 2. If x plus 5 equal to 0, then x equal to minus 5. If we do sum of the zeros, so sum of zeros equal to minus 2 plus of minus 5. So that means it is nothing but plus into minus means minus only. So minus 2 minus 5 means that is minus 7. And product of zeros, so product of zeros observed means product of zeros minus 2 into minus 5 means that is nothing but 10. So here minus 7 means it is the coefficient of x, and 10 means it is the constant term. So here also x square coefficient 1. So here we writing 7 by 1. That means here we can write coefficient of x square. So here also x square coefficient 1 purpose we can write 10 by 1. That means constant term by coefficient of x square. Okay, so here we written 4 means minus of minus 4, then we get minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. So here minus 7 there, that purpose here we can write minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Why? Because coefficient of x is plus 7 only, but here we written minus 7. So minus coefficient of x by minus coefficient of x square means correct answer we get. Okay, so from this here we know that the zeros and sum of the zeros and product of the zeros has what is the relationship between their coefficients of the given polynomial. So we already know that the quadratic polynomial general form is ax square plus bx plus c. So this has zeros alpha beta, then we can write sum of the zeros equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Okay, so here the zeros are here we taken alpha and beta. So alpha plus beta is equal to the coefficient of x is b. So minus b by coefficient of x square is a. So alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. So next, product of the zeros equal to constant term by coefficient of x square. Constant term by coefficient of x square is nothing but product of the zeros. So here product doing zeros to, so alpha beta equal to constant term, that is nothing but c, and coefficient of x square is a. So alpha beta equal to c by a. If our to given alpha beta zeros only, then the quadratic polynomial same. If alpha comma beta are two zeros of a quadratic polynomial, then the polynomial is what we can write, the polynomial is k into x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. It is the general form of quadratic polynomial. If the zeros alpha beta given means this one we taking k into x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So here k is the constant term. So here any we can get here the LCM denominator as any number, that constant to we cancel that one, again we get it is in the form of x square plus bx plus c as polynomial. That purpose the constant k taking. If we observe here alpha plus beta plus minus b by a, alpha beta plus c by a, then here we substitute means k into x square minus of minus b by a into x plus c by a. So here minus into minus plus x square plus bx by a plus c by a, and here we taking a as LCM. So a into x square, ax square plus here already a there, so that purpose bx, and here also a there, so c. Now here k equal to a we feeling, then what happen, a by a means that is cancel. So that is nothing but ax square plus bx plus c. So that is the general form of quadratic equation. So that purpose if alpha beta are zeros given means then the quadratic polynomial is k into x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Here given a problem, find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. So before one only we find, that is, so find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial and find its zeros, and zeros finding after relationship between the zeros and coefficients. What is that one they are asked? So we already saw, that is only again verification doing. So here first finding the zeros of 4s square minus 4s plus 1. So find the zeros purpose we have to take equal to 0. Now 4s square means we can write it as 2 square s square. 2 square s square means 2s whole square, and 4s means we can write 2 into 2s and into 1. So plus 1 means 1 square we have a chance to write. So now if we observe, it is nothing but in the form of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square means a square minus 2ab plus b square. So by using that formula, if we can write this one, 2s minus 1 whole square. Here a equal to 2s, b equal to 1. So 2s minus 1 whole square we can write. So 2s minus 1 whole square means it is nothing but 2s minus 1 into 2s minus 1 equal to 0. In that, any one will be equal to 0. Either this 2s minus 1 equal to 0, otherwise that 2s minus 1 equal to 0. Then we can write minus 1 transfer to that side, plus 1, 0 plus 1 equal to 1. So multiplication to transfer to this side by, so that is 1 by 2. Same here, minus 1 transfer to that side, plus 1, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, and here s equal to 1 by 2. So the coefficients of the polynomial is here 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Now checking the relationship. So what is that one? So sum of the zeros equal to minus coefficient x by coefficient of x square. So here the zeros are 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So that is, here the denominators are equal, that means they are like fractions. So directly adding the numerators. So 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 means that is 2, 2 by 2 equal to 1. Now coefficient of x is, here coefficient of x means in this place s is there, means we can write s also, not a problem. So coefficient of s by coefficient of s square. So coefficient of s is minus 4. So minus of minus 4 by coefficient of s square, that is 4. So minus into minus means plus. So 4 by 4 means that is nothing but 1. So both the answers are equal. So sum of the zeros is equal to minus coefficient of s by coefficient of s square. Similarly, we can observe product of zeros. Product of zeros equal to constant term by coefficient of x square. So here product of zeros, the zeros are 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 means that is 1 by 4. Why? Because the numerators 1 into 1 equal to 1, the denominators 2 2 ja 4. So that is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 means 1 by 4. And here the constant term is 1. The coefficient of s square. So the coefficient of s square is 4. So 1 by 4, and here both the answers are equal. So here the sum of the zeros and product of the zeros and their coefficients between the relationship is correct only. Okay, so now we see another problem. So the next problem is 4u square plus 8u. So 4u square plus 8u. For this polynomial, finding the zeros. So 4u square plus 8u equal to 0. Now here there is no constant term, and here 8u means it can be written as 4 into 2. u square means it can be written as u into u. So in this both 4u is the common, so that 4u common taken means here remain u and here plus, so 4 2 ja 8, so plus 2 equal to 0. So now we can take either 4u equal to 0, otherwise u plus 2 equal to 0. If 4u equal to 0, then u equal to 0 by 4, that means 0 by 4 means 0 only. Similarly, u plus 2 equal to 0, then plus 2 transfer to this side minus 2, 0 minus 2 means minus 2. So the zeros are 0 and minus 2. So now find the relationship between zeros and the coefficients. So the zeros, sum of the zeros equal to minus coefficient of here u there, so minus coefficient of u by coefficient of u square. So now here if we observe the zeros sum, so the zeros sum equal to 0 plus of minus 2, so plus into minus means minus, 0 minus 2 means minus 2. Now the coefficient of u is 8, so minus 8 by coefficient of u square, so u square coefficient is 4, so minus 8 by 4 means that is minus 2. So here sum of the zeros and their coefficients will be equal. Next we find the product. So product of zeros equal to constant term by coefficient of u square. So here the zeros are 0 and minus 2, so this will be product to doing 0 into minus 2, 0 into minus 2 means 0 only, and here constant term taken means there is no constant term, so that is 0 by u square coefficient, that is 4, 0 by 4 means 0 only. So here also the zeros and coefficients between the relationship is satisfied only. Okay, now we see another problem, that is t square minus 15. Polynomial to find the zeros and verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients. So for finding first zeros of the polynomial, t square minus 15 is equal to 0, so minus 15 transfer to that side plus 15, so 0 plus 15 equal to 15, so t square equal to 15 means t equal to plus or minus root 15, so the zeros are root 15 and minus root 15. So now checking the relationship between zeros and its coefficients. So sum of zeros equal to minus coefficient of t by coefficient of t square. So here the zeros are root 15 and minus root 15 set, so that two zeros to addition doing plus root 15 plus of minus root 15, so plus into minus minus, so root 15 minus root 15, so root 15 minus root 15 equal to 0 only, and coefficient of t, so here t term is not present, so that is 0, and coefficient of t square, so t square coefficient is 1, 0 by 1 means 0 only. So here sum of the zeros and their coefficients between the relationship is correct only. Next product of zeros, So product of zeros equal to constant term by coefficient of t square. So here the zeros are root 15 and minus root 15. So the two zeros root 15 and minus root 15 to product doing. So root 15 into root 15 is nothing but 15 only, and plus into minus, that means minus 15, and here the constant term is minus 15 and the coefficient of t square is 1. So minus 15 by 1 means minus 15. Now finding the zeros of the polynomial 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. So first it is not in the order of coefficients. So now we write the order of the coefficients. 6x square minus 7x minus 3, that equal to 0, and here the x square coefficient 6 and the constant term, that is minus 3. So the 6 into minus 3 equal to minus 18, and the coefficient of x equal to minus 7. So any two numbers product doing minus 18 coming, their addition minus 7 we need. So 18 coefficients that factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. In that, which two numbers addition or subtraction doing we get 7 means that are nothing but 2, 9, 1, 6. So these numbers too, but here minus 7 coming purpose we take minus 1 into minus 6, but these two numbers to product doing means 18 not come. So 2 and 9 taken means in this 2 and 9 these two numbers product 18 coming and their subtraction 7 coming, but we need minus 7, that purpose 9 to minus symbol taking means minus 9 into my plus 2 means minus 18, minus 9 plus 2 means minus 7 coming. So we take in the space of minus 7x minus 9x plus 2x taking. So 6x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So now 6x means it can be written as 3 into 2. 9 means it can be written as 3 3. So now in this both 3 is the common number, and here x, here also x there. Why? Because x square means we can write x into x. So now in this both the common one is 3x. So 3x common taken means here remain 2 and 1 x. Next 9x means already 3x came outside means 3 is there. Now in 2x minus 3 means any number is not common. So their common number, that means the coefficient is nothing but 1 product. So plus 1 taking means same 2x minus 3 we can have a chance to write. Now in this both 2x minus 3 is the common number. So 2x minus 3 common taken means here left 3x and here 1. These are the common factors. So now common taken means now in this any one will be equal to 0. So if 2x minus 3 equal to 0, then 2x equal to minus 3 transfer to that side plus 3, 0 plus 3 equal to 3, then x equal to so this 2 to x is multiplication doing, transfer this side means division, that is 3 by 2. Next 3x plus 1 equal to 0, then plus 1 transfer to this side minus 1, 0 minus 1 means minus 1 only. Now x3 to multiplication doing, so transfer this side means that is division, so x equal to minus 1 by 3. So the zeros of the polynomial 6x square minus 3 minus 7x are 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 3. Now checking the relationship between zeros and the coefficients. So sum of the zeros equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. So here the zeros are 3 by 2 and 1 by 3, the two addition doing. So 3 by 2 plus of minus 1 by 3. So there plus into minus means minus only. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3. 2 3 LCM is nothing but 6. So 2 3 ja 6. So 3 3 ja 9. 3 2 ja 6. So 2 1 ja 2. 9 minus 2 equal to 7. So the sum of the zeros equal to 7 by 6. Now coefficient of x from here is that is minus 7. So minus of minus 7 by coefficient of x square, that is 6. So minus into minus plus, so 7 by 6. So here we get 7 by 6. So both are equal. Now we find the product of zeros. So product of zeros equal to constant term by coefficient of x square. So here the zeros are 3 by 2 and 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3. So the two numbers product doing, and product numerators multiplication, denominators multiplication. So 3 into minus 1 means that is nothing but minus 3, and 3 2 ja means 6. So both will be go in 3 table. So 3 1 ja 3 2 ja, so that is nothing but minus 1 by 2, and here the constant term is minus 3. So minus 3, and the coefficient of x square is 6. So minus 3 by 6. So here is also minus 3 by 6 only there. If we simplified we get 1 by 2 only. So here also the sum of the zeros and product of the zeros is equal to their coefficients relation to. Okay.